Right now, in order to directing the fires onto that area right there. It looks like it's almost a like it's a school. Like they have the Iraqi flag, Iraqi flag painted on. Well, disregard that. I know you're not going to see that, but it's got a large courtyard on the southern side of the road, 100 meters west. How copy?
Go, no, open up! Shoot, shoot, shoot! Go, go, go!
Ready? Go!
Bring it in. Convict Lightning 4-1. Convict, this is Lightning 4-1. Moving our southern element on Stadium. Moving it westward. If you look on Stadium, the most western gun truck is going to be co-located with. Okay, we're still taking fire from our western flank. It's been RPGs and small arms within 200 meters of our position. If you look on that road, we called it Connector earlier. That's going to be the most western border of the friendlies, and I need you to scan west from there. No more than 200 meters is where we're getting engaged from. Right here?
Yeah.
This is house 19, but I'm saying, you know, we finish here, but we can orient up and then get eyes on the enemy. You know. Building that's on fire. That was the source of our previous firefight that we just got into about a minute ago. If you can get eyes on that smoking building and start searching the area for squirters. Gunfighter, dealer. Catfish 6, this is Lightning 4-1. Dealer 3-6, this is Lightning 4-1. Be advised, I know you know about the SEAL position that's located on the southwestern corner of Zone 21. Just across the street on the south side of North Stadium, you have a squad-sized element that is on the rooftops, oriented west. How copy?
We're about to firing right now. I think they fired a 2 or 3 smoke building.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here's my plan.
Sure.
I'm going to move across the street here very shortly.
Over to here?
To the SEALs.
Okay.
And I'm going to get on that rooftop with them so that I can get eyes on to what they're shooting at.
Okay.
And then probably take it out with LMAV or rotors.
Okay.
So we'll figure one or the other out.
Let me know when you're going to move.
I'll give you a call over UHF.
Okay.
Get across!
Go, 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 go! I'm going.
Fire. Hey, boom!
Too far. So far. Way too far. A little bit too right ahead. Come down a little bit less. About the building house.
Oh,
There we go.
down,
Nice.
down.
Right. You need one a little bit longer.
Close. Oh, too close.
Oh, wait.
Hey, bravo.
Hey, Doggy.
Sir,
Okay.
Where do you see him, man, Mo? I can't
No. They just went down, two of them, like that, on the balcony. Like this balcony that you can see right in between these two palm trees.
Where's the sheep? Look at sheep coming down the fucking road.